Hi, this is Mihnea, a Romanian living in Beijing. Obviously, I'm in quarantine, and what's the best way to spend your quarantine time than by reading? So, I'm about to go and pick up my books from Tuttle Publishing. Obviously, they're on Japan. Let's meet the DHL guy.
Sign your name. Here.
Okay.
Thank you.
谢谢.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I got my books. As you can see, security is pretty tight here in China. I had to show my passport and my ID to the guard here to make sure that I live in this community. No one else can come in here. Anyway, let's do the unboxing of these books from Tuttle Publishing. Yeah! Back in my room, let's unbox this beautiful package from Tuttle Publishing. It came from their Asia desk in Singapore. Oh, very, very nice. And check these books out. There are 3 books inside. I'm so excited. Very well packed, so the books don't get damaged. Okay. Actually, let me take them one by one. One. This is so beautiful. Book 2. And book 3. So, this is what we have. Let's start with Rebecca Ottawa, The Mad Kyoto Shoe Swapper and Other Stories. I have already interviewed this wonderful writer. Check the link in the description below to read the full interview on my website. Beautiful book. Wow, it's got a dust jacket and hardcover. Beautiful. Wow, with illustrations by the author herself. So, what is the book about? Rebecca Ottawa brings touching stories of Japanese life, traditional and modern, and the people who populate them, foreign and Japanese, into our consciousness, says booksonasia.net Amy Chavez. Her gift for detail and her observations of the subtle and intricate ways of the Japanese is a treasure. Some of these stories touch me deeply, while others still haunt me. This is Ottawa at her best, presenting both sides of the Japanese coin. I can't wait to read this book too. I have been in touch with the writer and I have some background on her writing style and the ideas in this book. It is a collection of 13 short stories about death, marriage, life, obsessions in Japan. Some of them have historical connotations from the author's own family history. Alright, so Rebecca Ottawa, an American-born, Australian-raised, obsessed with Japan, married to a Japanese, into a Japanese family, living now in Japan in the Kansai area. Book number 1, The Mad Kyoto Shoe Swapper and Other Short Stories. Alright. Second book, Let the Samurai Be Your Guide. 7 Bushido Pathways to Personal Success. What are the 7 Bushido pathways? Courage, integrity, respect, honesty, benevolence, loyalty, honor. By Lori Tsugawa Whaley. Again, a wonderful, beautiful hardcover book. Wow! Look at the dust jacket. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And what is the book about? The president of the Asia Pacific Cultural Center, Patricia O'Connell, said Bushido, The Samurai Code of Ethics prepares each of us to see what is important in life. It's truly the foundation for being a great human being. This book is a guide which uses the way of the samurai, Bushido, in daily life, in dealing with people, in business. It is, again, a beautifully made book. The back cover says, in Let the Samurai Be Your Guide, Lori Tsugawa Whaley looks at the many different ways that Bushido, the traditional samurai code of conduct, can guide and improve our lives in the present day. In this book, she highlights the 7 essential Bushido qualities: courage, integrity, benevolence, respect, honesty, honor, and loyalty, and looks at a range of people, including soldiers, political leaders, and social activists, whose lives embody these principles in action, and whose success stems from the strength and certitude of these time-tested strengths. A very interesting concept, how to use Bushido in daily life. And I think what's even more interesting is that we can read in this book real life stories of people who have applied the principles of Bushido in their daily life and have become successful. Again, another amazing book from Tuttle. 2 great hardcovers, short stories, fiction short stories, a book about Bushido and how it can be applied in daily life. And the third book, Real Bento. One of the pleasures of going to Japan is buying the bento boxes at train station, getting on the train, getting on the Shinkansen, and traveling from one place to another, enjoying both Japanese food, Japanese trains, the Japanese scenery, enjoying Japan in general. Okay, again, a beautiful, beautiful book. We have a dust jacket, Real Bento, fresh and easy lunchbox recipes from a Japanese working mom, by Kane Inoue. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the quality of this book. Full colored pages. Beautiful recipes. Short, brief, to the point. Wow, I can't wait to give this book to my wife to ask her to prepare us a bento box. So, Kanae Inoue, this is the ultimate bento box cookbook, a collection of family-friendly, easy and inexpensive recipes honed over the years by Japanese mom Kanae Inoue. The book is packed with the time-saving tips that allows Inoue to assemble her bentos each morning in just a few minutes, using basic ingredients she has on hand. The 200 delicious recipes in Real Bento include Japanese favorites like teriyaki chicken, seafood tempura, and rice omelette, as well as Inoue's original easy-to-make recipes including salmon spring rolls, I'm already drooling, grilled pumpkin with miso, and stir-fried beef and egg with oyster sauce. Dishes that look great in a lunchtime bento box and will satisfy everyone in the family. You know, when it comes to Japan, Japanese food is right there at the top of everyone's favorite. Again, a beautifully, beautifully designed and presented book. I can't wait to try some of these recipes. The layout is very, very reader friendly and makes it just a pleasure to even browse through this book and get some ideas for, a lunchbox, for lunch. So, Tuttle Publishing is preparing these new books for release. Real Bento, Let the Samurai Be Your Guide, and the Kyoto Shoe Swapper and other short stories. And these are just beautiful books which now I have all the time in the world to read during this time of, stay-at-home, self-imposed quarantine during the coronavirus outbreak, epidemic, pandemic. So I highly recommend you check these books out. I will give you full reviews of each of the 3 books. I will try to reach out to the authors. One of them has already replied and answered my interview questions. I'm leaving links in the description below. Amazon links. Check them out, order them, pre-order them, and let's enjoy our quarantine time, our stay-at-home time with some beautiful Japanese fiction, Japanese-inspired self-help books, and Japanese food in a cute bento box. Alright, thank you for this book's Tuttle. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel to see reviews and my opinions on these 3 books. Until next time, this is Mihnea signing out from Beijing. Bye bye. Happy reading.